To the Honorable Speaker of the House of Representatives, the Turanganai Talatala and the Chairman of KY6 Cooperative Ltd, and Manoa of Kambara, and distinguished guests and friends present here today, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to be here with you today for this very special occasion as we celebrate the collective achievements of the Kambara Yavusa Ono Cooperative Limited, or KY6, a cooperative that stands as a true testament to the strength of unity, the strength of creativity and community. Founded with a noble mission of uplifting local artisans and promoting a vibrant cultural heritage, of which Kambara is well known, KY6 has played a vital role in enhancing the livelihoods of its members through the creation and sale of beautifully crafted handicraft. Each item reflects the unique artistry and rich traditions of Kambara, telling a story of our people and our history. This presentation here today comes at the back of some thinking that happened in the Ministry of Cooperatives some years back when we first came into office. And after the first year in office, the cooperative director and I thought that it would be worthwhile to actually start creating a dedicated grant program specifically targeting cooperatives. The reasons are many, but some of the specific ones are we truly believe that to unlock the potential of the resource owners in this country, and also to unlock the potential of other people of Fiji that have come here to live, the cooperative movement is a way to actually build a pathway towards economic prosperity. Our travels around the world have shown that cooperatives is actually a powerful tool for economic empowerment. And so, based on the theory of what we've seen around the world, and also the fact that in order to unlock the talents and the resources that our own resource owners have, it appears certainly from the government's perspective and the Honorable Prime Minister's perspective that the cooperative movement has the potential to seriously unlock that potential, and that is why you are seeing a heightened level of activity within the cooperative movement. And I suspect in the years to come, it will only get bigger, better, and intensify. Today marks a significant step forward in the journey, and it will be my honor today to officially hand over a brand new vehicle to the Yavusa Kambara Ono Cooperative Limited, a Volkswagen Caddy Maxi van. And of course, it goes without saying that this is just not for transportation. It represents a vital resource for enhancing the operations of KY6, enabling you to transport raw material and finished product swiftly and efficiently, hopefully, all around Fiji in the years to come. With this vehicle, I envision a future filled with greater productivity and streamlined logistics for KY6. It will facilitate your ability to reach new markets, expand customer base, and showcase the remarkable craftsmanship that your cooperative and the Manoa of Kambara has to offer. This initiative simply exemplifies the government's steadfast commitment, as I have explained, to fostering sustainable economic growth and improving the quality of life for our people, and particularly the resource owners of our land through the cooperative movement. This investment also illustrates the potential that can be realized when we support local cooperatives and acknowledge the vital contributions that artisans within our communities have. As a government, we are dedicated and committed to creating conditions that will allow cooperatives to flourish, supplying the essential resources and support to promote innovation, economic development, and equality. In line with our commitment to community empowerment, the National Development Plan 2025 to 2029 outlines a detailed strategy and framework for transforming our society. Cross-cutting priorities, particularly focusing on community empowerment, it fosters and backs the generation of community-level empowerment, and also contributes significantly in addressing poverty alleviation and other social challenges in Fiji, and allowing for inclusion of women and youth in our society. Recognizing these initiatives, the government obviously came forward with a grant of 400,000 last year, which is now increased to 600,000 this year. An undeniable testament to government's unwavering commitment for cooperatives. I suspect by the time we finish in government, it'll be over 1 million quite easily. Canberra KY6 Cooperative is among 17 cooperatives that have successfully been awarded grants from this program, reinforcing the commitment to fostering socio-economic development at the grassroots level. The ministry, through the Department of Cooperatives, has registered a total of 771 cooperatives with membership of over 40,000 and collective assets of around 51 million. Annual revenue of 26 million was collected last year, and profits was around 1.5 million. As you embrace this new opportunity, I encourage each of you to continue the work to work together, share knowledge and nurture creativity. Let us explore new horizons together, innovate with your craft, and reach even greater heights. The sky is the limit for KY6 as you continue to shine a light on the beautiful artistry of Canberra. In conclusion, I wish to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to every member of KY6 for your dedication and hard work. Your efforts not only enrich the economic landscape of Canberra, but also continues to enrich the cultural narrative of Fiji. Together, let us commit to preserving our heritage while paving a road for future generations. I do note the comments made about the plastic tanoas, which is a very valid comment, and we will certainly be looking at that as a government. It is only fair that some of that revenue gets channeled back to the original creators of the tanoa, and we will come back to you in terms of how that progresses. Nevertheless, for today, thank you for your commitment and congratulations once again on this milestone achievement for KY6. May God bless the Manoa Kabara. May God bless the KY6 cooperative. And may God bless the Republic of Fiji.
Silakan kiranya diminta nafas dulu, Ibu.
Bueno,